Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Matt Leshper here with 1836 Property Management, your property management partner in Austin, Texas. This is our April 2021 agent update. And we've got some interesting information for you today about tenant inquiries, average days on market, and things like that. As you may have noticed, there's a little bit of a pandemic over the last year, and tenant inquiries have been kind of all over the board. So starting in January and February, which was kind of normal, we had 91 and 138 compared to this year, which are people hunkering down? Are they not? We're going to see. They went to 213, so over doubled in January. And February went to 107. So not terribly off course given the chaotic nature of the environment. Last March went to 15 for the entire month. Yes, 15 leasing inquiries from potential tenants when the pandemic started. This year, 182. So more than, what is that, times 12? Kind of impressive. I think the economy is coming back pretty strong. Portfolio average days on market. This is probably the most interesting information I've got for you guys today as agents and just to look out for. Condos versus SFRs, ABOR, or all the MLS versus 1836. We got a lot of agents who come to us and they go, oh, we lease our own properties. We know exactly what we're doing. We find the best tenants. Well, numbers don't lie. So you guys as agents are better off selling homes. That's what you do. We lease homes. That's what we do. And so when the two work together, you're the expert at what you do and perform better than we would and vice versa. So this is some interesting stats for you. Overall, I'm going to give you the MLS stats. For condos, it took on average 48 days for the MLS. 1836 did this in 39. So we're about 23% faster than the MLS on condos. For single family residents, we are 95% faster, 20.5 days throughout the first 4 months of 2021. And for 1836, 10.5 days, 10.5. So almost twice as fast. Now, that's all good and great for us. But what I really found interesting when digging into these numbers was the SFR versus the condo numbers. So the condos were leasing in 48.5 days for the first 4 months of 2021. That's pretty extreme, over a month and a half. But SFRs, because everybody wants their space, they've been cooped up for a year, 20 days. So if you've got an investor and they're like, well, this downtown condo, it's not apples to apples, even just because the HOA fees are higher on those condos. It's going to take them 2.3 times longer every time they have to lease that condo. Now, I wish I had the renewal factor for you. I don't actually have the renewal factor. I don't know if that stat exists or that we can pull it. We might be able to in the future from our portfolio for SFR versus condos, but I can almost assure you that those single families, because they've got families and they get engaged in schools and stuff, are stickier than the condos. So you're going to have not only longer time on market for the condos, 2.3 times longer, but you're going to have more turnovers as well. So those downtown condos look gorgeous. And I think for speculators, they're a really good deal. Who doesn't remember Miami in '08? Hey, let's just buy it before it's even built and then resell it before we have to buy it. That was great. But in a long-term approach, those really just don't work as well. The SFRs, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, suburban, cookie cutter, nice neighborhoods, really hard to mess up, guys. So if you're looking for a safe bet for your investors, you want a safe bet for us to manage, and you want to look good and really help your clients perform, those SFRs around the city are the way to go. They rent faster, they're stickier with tenants, and they're just really kind of hard to mess up because we need housing so much in Austin. That's our April update for you guys. If there's anything we can do for you, whether it's just general inquiries, how should we handle this? How do we collaborate? Talk to me about your services, whatever it is, reach out to us. You've got questions at 1836pm.com. That's one way to get us, or just give us a ring. 512-994-4323. We're always here to collaborate with you guys, and we're more successful together. That's how we roll. So give us a call if we can do anything for you. We'll be here waiting. Talk to you soon. See you in May. Bye-bye.